Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate the percentage difference between two numbers in an Excel. Calculating the percentage difference in Excel is straightforward. We can demonstrate this with simple examples to help you understand the process. Here we have someone's salary for 2023, and in the following cell, their salary for 2024. In the final box here, we want to work out the percentage change. So let's click into this cell. Start by pressing the equals key to indicate the start of the function. Now let's press the open bracket, followed by selecting this year's salary. Then enter the minus sign, followed by the last year's salary. Then close the brackets. We're not quite ready to press enter here. We need to divide this first section of our formula. So let's enter the divide symbol, which is a / in Excel. Again, select last year's salary, and now we can press enter. And here is the resulting percentage change. To format the result cell as a percentage, click on the cell. Then select the % style button in the Home tab's number group. You can then copy this function down into the remaining cells. As you can see, this function even works out the percentage change even with negative changes, as we can see here. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.